Students, we got a question. We are expected to find the area bounded by the parabola y squared is equal to 4ax and the latus rectum. Now, you got to draw the parabola. Now, y squared is equal to 4ax, right? It's a C-shaped parabola. So, the parabola would be something like this. And the equation of the latus rectum will be of the form x is equal to a. So, that means you have a line that is passing like this, intersecting the parabola at a comma negative 2a on one side and positive 2a. So the coordinates would be a comma negative 2a and a comma positive 2a. So you are expected to find the region bounded by the parabola and the latus rectum. So this is the region that you need. Now you got two parts here. You got part 1 and part 2. And you are expected to obtain the integration of this entire region. So the required area would be actually moving from this point to this point, okay? From 0 to this point, x is equal to a. So that would be the region of integration. The required formula is going to be integral x changes from 0 to a, so it's going to be dx there, and we need to place y because y is a function of x. Now we are given y squared is equal to 4ax, so y will be equal to root of 4ax, which is equal to 2 times root of a times root of x. So this is what you have to integrate. So this is going to be, now since there are two portions, so it's going to be 2 times integral 2 times root of a times root of x times dx. The region is 0 to a. I can rewrite this as 4 times root of a times 0 to a x raised to the power half times dx, which is nothing but 4 times root of a. I integrate this, I get x raised to the power 1 over 2 positive 1 divided by 1 over 2 positive 1. The limits are 0 to a, which is nothing but 4 times root of a times x raised to the power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Limits are 0 to a. I can flip this and rewrite it as 4 times root of a times 2 times over 3 times x raised to the power 3 over 2, 0 to a. Now I need to substitute the limits. This can be rewritten as 8 times root of a divided by 3. I substitute the upper limit, a raised to the power 3 over 2, followed by the lower limit 0. I can rewrite this as 8 times a raised to the power half times a raised to the power 3 over 2 divided by 3, which is nothing but 8 over 3. Now this is a raised to the power half added with 3 over 2, which is nothing but 8 times a raised to the power 4 over 2 divided by 3, which is nothing but 8 a raised to the power 2 divided by 3. So the required area is going to be 8 over 3 a squared square units. So this